So peeps, the video clips used in this video were made possible courtesy of my YouTube brother, one of my YouTube brother, 876 Relevant. You need to go check out his YouTube channel. He's doing some great work over there. Big up yourself again, bro. Manners.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Come back to the channel, guys. So some stage show goers were left with a bad taste in their mouths in Guyana over the weekend when a stage show that featured the likes of Gage, Pamputtae, QQ and Razor B got cancelled because the promoters did not live up to their end of the bargain and the artists were not paid. You understand me? I say, so during the show, or I don't know if the show started or what, but some of the patrons got really angry and battled the stage. Who was on the stage, I don't know.
Fuck with them doing now. A fuck with them doing is a $5,000 this down the drain like that.
All the artists were present, but they were brought to an hotel and they were there from about Thursday, and they are saying that no, they haven't seen the promoter. So this is a little bit of context.
We don't know what time we are going radio, we don't know what time we are doing conference, nothing. Oh, being at the pool, oh, check out this radio. Nah, man,
but we don't like you constantly tell a lie. Oh, me have the money, me coming, I'm 5 minutes away, I'm 20 minutes away, I'm this and I'm that and whatever. Me don't like that, Virgin. You can't do this. I don't want to lie to the fans them. But people them can't see this in the country. So no, we are the problem, or the artists are the problem, and the promoter are the problem. Not even Purdium. What the fuck we gonna eat? What we gonna eat? You bring go down there to a press conference and that's it. Me know what them people name?
The phone company, GT and the shit house company.
Him and them are the thing.
Phone company and think the French still. Eh?
That phone company, I understand this.
One of the time I think I even keep the show. Me and I said no, a GT and T show. So I said, who will keep the show? How much people are
but this company is a big company. Oh, if we not have Purdium. Oh, if we not get down payment to come out. And we present ourselves in a Guyana ready to work. I know who our fault. Me not like to come work and my fans and get to see me. Me not like this.
Buy up one bag of CD for you.
Yeah, t-shirt, and everything for you. And no money, me don't like them thing you be. Yo, the man lie to him. When I say lie, the man lie. The man say have the money, actually him not have. Him can't leave because it's him alone. He must say have the money. Fuck what? Who for me with that? Who for me with that? Fuck what? Fuck we?
Fuck what? Let me go lose fuck it. Don't lose.
QQ's manager, I think it's also his dad, GQ, had this to say about the whole situation.
How are you doing, Guyana? I'm the manager for QQ and just want to know what happened. Is that we come in the country from Thursday, and from Thursday we haven't seen the promoter. The promoter doesn't provide us with no form of food, no water, nothing at all. He just leave us here at the hotel. We don't know where the venue is, we don't know nothing. You understand? The night of the show, we tried to contact the promoter. The promoter did not answer his phone. You understand? So I could not advise the artist where to go, what to do. The contract, despite the contract, we were considering to do it for the fans. We didn't have any transportation to bring the artist to the venue or anything. So that is what happened. And you know, I'm really disappointed with this phone company in Guyana here for be a sponsor of certain things like a great show like this and really messed up like this. You understand? We haven't seen nobody from we got here Thursday. They put us in this hotel. We don't see nobody. You understand? Every artist have a sent for money to spend. No Purdium, nothing at all. It was out of my control, who have cramps, all these things, you understand? So just make the people of Guyana know that's what directly happened. None of the artists' fault. All artists was here and everybody was excited to perform for our Guyana fans. Thank you very much.
Few of the fans had, some of the fans had mixed feelings about the situation. The fans that were spoken to obviously stated that they are of the opinion that the promoters were at fault because the artists were there.
What do you think about the show?
I would say
the show was okay.
Yeah, it wasn't bad, but it was
the artists. It was
So which artists you came to see?
I come to see QQ and Gage.
I come to see QQ also and Gage, but
no one was there.
So who you think is at fault, the promoter or the artist?
I would basically blame the promoter because the artists are here. This is how we get invitation.
So you believe you should get back your money, right?
yes.
So Gage manager walk and talk along with Razor B and QQ had this to say about the entire situation. It's unfortunate though, you understand. I am sure they probably turned down other bookings to go to Guyana and see what happens. So I just saw you go.
Morning Guyana. This walk and talk. Tamari Sharp, Gage manager. Yeah, sorry for the patience, you know, Gage, QQ, Pamputtae, Razor B, love you all. You understand? So we are very sorry, but it's not the artist's fault. It's not our fault, it's the promoter. You understand? Because you can see already in the country. Already in the country. Right now. In the country right now. So it could never be our fault, it's the promoter fault. But, you know, Guyana, we hope next time, and it's going to be a next time. We're going to see you in Guyana again, shortly too. You understand? So thank you Guyana. Have a wonderful day.
Before Razor B, I just want to say, I apologize to my Guyanese fans, first and foremost. But whatever happened last night is totally out of my control. You know what I mean? We're here at the hotel, got dressed, ready to perform for our fans, and we never hear or seen from the promoter, you know what I mean? So I really apologize, you know, we're excited, we're pumped. We're here, as you can see, you know, we're in Guyana. We're excited, especially me myself, it's my first time in Guyana. So you don't know, I want to perform for my girls, then I want to perform for all of my fans in Guyana. It just never happened. So you know, hopefully that we'll see you guys next time, you know what I mean? I really apologize about them in my heart. And Guyana, you don't know. We say, I make you warm block for me back. But it never happened.
Hello, this is your boy QQ, and yes, people, we're here live in Guyana right now, Georgetown, you know what I mean? Due to circumstances beyond my control, I wasn't able to be at the show, not a fault of mine, not a fault of any of the artists, you know what I mean? We've been here in the country, still waiting on the promoter, still don't see the promoter all now, you know what I mean? We don't even have food to eat, you know what I mean, unfortunately. But at the end of the day, we still love the fans, we still love the people, and we hope that in the near future, we'll be able to come back and perform for you guys. Really disappointed that I didn't get to perform. Really sad, really hurt by it, you know what I mean? I know the ladies come out and they want one drop, they want party, they want dance, and it's just really circumstances beyond my control, you know what I mean? So people, you have to call the promoter, find out what's going on, and take it up with him, you know what I mean? But I really wish I had the opportunity to perform for you guys, you know what I mean? In the near future though, I really hope so. So, bless you. Thank you very much.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, 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 beat and teach.
So you have seen where Caribbean promoters have taken steps to take legal actions against Jamaican entertainers who fail to honor their contractual agreement, not turning up for stage show after the money was deposited and stuff. You understand? So I'm wondering if there's not a case here for these Jamaican artists who would have lost money during their stay there to try get some form of remuneration from the promoter here. You understand what I mean? Because if them quick to sue the Jamaican artists, then we have to follow suit too. But I suppose to each his own, yeah, sir. The artists that go and put in the work, them things happen from time to time. We know things set up still. We don't know, go and represent and fly the flag high. You understand what I say? Mad. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.